Okay, we are going to see how to fix toilet door handle. You know, it's been my door handle is very loose. I just want to fix it. I just discovered how to fix this, how we can fix it. It looks complex, right? And how we can fix it? Let me show you. Okay. First of all, you have to remove this portion like up and down. When you push it, it's little hard, it's not that easy, just you have to push this separate. Okay, and then you can just screw them tight. Okay, otherwise if you feel it is very if you feel even the handle is very loose, then you have to open this up. Okay, just you can open the handle itself. So you can just remove this, and then I just unscrewed it. I'm still opening it. See, there is a bar attached to this handle inside. Okay, now we have to remove this. Okay, when I remove this, it's like this portion is like this bar is inside. Okay, you just need to remove this bar outside. Okay, when you see after removing, when you see inside this portion, there is a mild screws there. Maybe you can see it now. Okay, this screw you have to loose. When you lose the screw inside, this handle will come separately, and then you can tighten it back. Okay, okay, after removing there is a screw. Okay, now we will tighten everything back, and we will fix it properly inside this lock so that it is fixed. Okay, let's see. And when you fix, remember, first of all, this handle and this setup should be fixed along with the screw. Okay, and so this two must be fixed now, and then we will fix it in the door. Okay, now first I insert this bar which will be going through this other side. Okay, this bar is now inserted. This is the bar. Okay, now we are going to fix this one. Okay, remember your direction, and you just need to fix in this hole. This bar has to come like this. Okay, finally we fix this. How we remove, same way we fix it. Okay, that's it.